Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. But before anything else, I'd like to thank everyone, especially to my viewers and my subscribers, for supporting my channel and watching all my videos. Today, I will show you my new creation. This is a fashion earrings made from the recycled waste bottle caps from the liquid soap. These bottle caps, look at this, look. It is derived from these bottle caps. This is the bottle caps of the liquid dishwashing soap. So I just remove this one. These bottle caps, just remove it and decorate here around with crystals. And on the top, you can fix a hook, first a ring, and put a glue inside, and then fix a ring and a hook. And now this is already the transformation of the bottle caps. Look at this. This is the ring. First, this is the ring. I fix inside a hole and put a little bit glue. You can use hot glue or adhesive glue. Then when it is already dried, you can attach the hook. Okay, look at this. I'm using the Crystalise. This Crystalise is just like decorative tape. You can buy this one from any shop, any accessory shop. I did not decorate this red in order to emphasize the color of the red. Okay, so this is a simple earrings, and the other one I have here with the different crystals and with also crystals on the side and with a tassel, look, with a borloloy down. The borloloy, I just fix it. I cut a tassel and fix inside with the use of a hot glue. And now this is already the transformation of these bottle caps. This one is another pair, and this two is also another pair. So this is how to recycle bottle caps from the dishwashing liquid soap. Okay, very simple and very easy to create an instant fashion earrings. So guys, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. And if you want to learn how to create different DIY projects, especially how to create fashion jewelry, just click on my playlist Beadworks Tutorials. In this playlist, you can find my video tutorials and my creations of different projects of my DIY fashion earrings, bracelet, necklace, and many things.